Make America great again. Bullshit blame.
Making his way to the ring from New York, weighing in at 239 pounds, Donald.
America's ugliest hobby. America's ugliest hobby.
Guys, the upcoming triple threat match should be nothing short of spectacular.
Yeah, especially considering what a victory could do for the career of the superstar who walks out of here with the win.
I'll bring democracy. Big talk, big walk, spotlight flame, set the rain, break the blame. I'm the first, you're the shame. King of the world, remember the name. Make America great again. Bullshit.
And his opponent, Ein Ring, weighing in at 255 pounds, the Tame
While exciting, we have to remember that triple threat matches are incredibly dangerous.
Especially when a two-on-one attack takes place, which is inevitably going to happen at some point here tonight, Michael.
Every eye in the crowd feels the desert's weight. He's the ruler of the night, the sultan of the flame. Whispers in the wind, all chanting his name. No fear in his heart, no mercy to seek. When the drums start pounding, the sheep goes peak.
from Kiev, Ukraine, weighing in at 210 pounds, War Clown.
I am the king, but without a throne. I rule with donations, with pity and scorn. My crown of dirt, my kingdom of pain, but my blow strikes deep.
Guys, we have triple threat action coming up as three of WWE's top superstars are set to square off.
And Michael, I can realistically envision any one of these three competitors having their hand raised in victory here tonight.
Here we go as this triple threat match gets underway.
If you ask me, this one has what it takes to be right up there with some of the great triple threat matches of the past.
Wow.
Including the classic we saw at WrestleMania 30. Setting it up. Nice neck breaker.
What impact! Oh, that hurt. Knee to the spine.
Dominating crossbody.
Oh, look at this power. Oh, man, that hurt the back. Spine rattling.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
He's not looking like himself here. He's going to have to cut off his opponent's offense quickly.
I hate to say it, but if he doesn't change his game plan soon, these two guys are going to tear him limb from limb.
You seem more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him. Dominating cross-body.
He's on the defensive here, but he's not appearing too worse for wear. At least not yet, anyway.
The dangers of this triple threat match appear to have escalated quickly on him. And this has all the makings of getting out of hand fast. He better be careful.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
This could be it. Oh, man, incredible impact.
This could be it.
Swinging neckbreaker connects.
Oh, impactful slam. He's looking at it. And he releases the hold.
I don't think he had it fully locked in.
Nailed it. Knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown. Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Too quick for him there. Dodges that one.
Oh, boy. Setting up for a powerbomb.
Not done yet.
Not again, not again. A third. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
German suplex.
Woo.
Here he goes.
Slam with authority.
He can end it here.
He's looking at it.
He's definitely starting to lose it here.
Look at this. He let it go.
Curious decision there, Michael.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Right to the back of the neck. These superstars have tried everything. They have something left in their arsenal. They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it? When this guy's on, look out. I think we know what this is. Is he done? Wow, he got out of it.
Yeah, I'm not so sure he had it fully locked in.
Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Boom!
Some might say that it wasn't a wise move for this superstar to step inside the ring with an injury, but I don't know. It's not like it's a major injury or anything.
Bringing it back between the ropes. Oh, and it's a reversal.
Cross the shoulders.
You gotta believe this one's over.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Sharp knee. He gets him with a reversal. Ring rattling. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Not today. Uh-oh. He might have it.
There's no way he's giving up now.
He somehow breaks free.
Nice, but he clearly has next to nothing left to give here.
Oh, and he dodges out of the way.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He looks for it once again. Big slam.
That has got to be it.
That should do it, Cole. There's no...
Here he goes.
This might not have been a wise move for him here, Michael.
And there's his speed paying off.
Going for it all here.
Not the fall that hurts, it's the sudden stop at the end.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Here we go. Is he done? You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that. Eludes that one. Pile driver.
Spiked him. Oh, nasty impact.
Victory is on the horizon.
Jaw-shattering boot.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
There may be no escaping this fireman's carry.
I don't know. Never say never, Cole. Unceremoniously deposited down.
Got their opponent a snake eyes. Probably wise not to focus too much on this superstar's injury. I mean, half the roster is likely competing with some sort of injury right now. It's just part of the game.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
Targeting the back. Very effective.
Drop kick.
Hits the mark.
We have seen him here before. Incredible impact.
And there it is, boys.
Oh, he's such a tough target. Showing off some of his speed there.
Ooh, what impact.
Uh-oh. Olympic slam!
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh man, what a driver. Too quick for him there. Hooked up. Inverted suplex.
Oh, to tear the features clean off your face. In WWE, there's as much chaos outside the ring as there is inside the ring.
Try working with Saxton at ringside. And if he hits, ooh, this is all but over. We know what's coming here. Oh, just showing off.
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
And he gets the fall late in the match.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And he's taken down with authority.
I think I felt the ground shake on that one.
He's in a little bit of trouble now. He can't be happy with how this is going right now. Uh-oh.
I don't think he's got it completely locked in.
He gets the score late in the match. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Dominating cross-body.
Right on the mark.
This could be huge. Boom. Nice. Big move coming. He has something big planned. Look out here. What's he going to do with it? Caught off guard. Oh, no, we've got a problem here, guys.
No kidding. Who knows what will happen next?
Got the reversal. Nailed it. He's looking at it. Is he done? Avoids trouble there. No, reverses it. Oof. Definitely not where you want to be right now.
Gotta find a way to get out of this, Michael.
Uh-oh.
This just ain't gonna do it.
Wow, he escapes it.
He's just got no quit in him here tonight, Cole.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Set it up.
Showing some quickness there. What a strike. Oh, what a tackle.
Vicious shoulder tackle in the corner.
Slingshot right across the back of the neck. Ouch. How much more punishment needs to be dished out? Just finish it. There's a very real chance he might not be able to recover from this here in this triple threat match. Quick thinking to avoid that one. Whack!
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
And Zelenskjy finds its mark. To think, I almost wrote him off earlier. What a strike. Right on the mark.
On, he dodges out of the way. He has him right where he wants him. Oh, look at this spin out powerbomb.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin.
Did you guys feel that too?
Oh, the inverted Russian leg sweep.
Face first.
A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating. And it's reversed. Lightning fast reflexes. This could be, oh!
Nice. Shut it down. I love a brash superstar.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He scores a fall late in the match. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Not so fast. Set him up. You gotta believe this one's over. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Whack!
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Reverses that one. Arm drag.
Very nice.
What grace. Float over into the DDT.
Spiked him.
And there's his speed paying off. When this guy's on, look out.
What a face buster.
Can he finish him off here? Beautiful technique. He might have a nasty impact. Can he finish the job?
Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go.
Some more mind games.
Warm up the bus. This one is over. Looks like the second time's gonna be the charm here.
Scoop slam. Showing off some of his speed there. Neck breaker. He knows he's in trouble. Uh-oh. This isn't gonna be pretty. What a slam.
Impactful. Will jar your spine. Look at this incredible power.
The gorilla press.
Wow.
Drop kick. He goes down hard.
Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me, especially given how intense the match has been.
And one more time.
And the slam. Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Going for the big one.
He looks to be losing a bit of leverage here.
Look out, he breaks free.
Great job by him there, but he's still in a tough spot.
Oh, what impact.
But can he follow up here? You're going to want to see your internist after a slam like that.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
The up and inverted Russian leg sweep.
Face first.
Dominating crossbody.
The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to
Harsh impact. Game, set, match. This.
Here he goes. Is he done?
Oh, somehow he breaks it.
He may have broken free, Cole, but I assure you the damage has already been done.
Drop kick hits the mark.
No, there's the reversal. He's lining him up.
Wow, I thought he was a goner. Oh boy, he is rolling.
This one's for good measure. Oh, what impact.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will. This time, it might end the match.
Setting up. All the way out. Suplex. Drop kick.
Beautiful.
Now he's working.
I think this is the beginning of the end, Michael.
Look at the torque. There's no escape from the camel clutch.
Here's his moment, Michael.
Moves like that can come back to haunt you.
Oh, and he reverses it. There goes the official.
Not gonna lie, that one hurt.
You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, shows no mercy.
In that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heel.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Whack!
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat. Dominating crossbody.
This could end. This might be it.
Oh my, I'm not sure how much he has left.
Talking trash. I love it.
That might have done it, Cole.
There it is with a late fall.
Harsh impact.
He's stumbling some now. He's starting to feel the pressure of this triple threat match, guys.
Given what he's gone through in his match so far, I wouldn't be surprised to see one of these guys pluck him off here.
Comes up big with the reversal. He's making a statement here with this attack. When this guy's on, look out. He's in control.
Beautiful technique.
This might be big. What a strike. Nope, reverses it. Ooh, what impact. He caught him slipping. Look out, look out. This could be it. Is he done? I can't believe... Oh, and he finds a way to escape.
Wow. Cole, I think this entire arena had written him off, myself included.
This has been a battle. He's looking at it.
He's definitely starting to lose it here.
No, he breaks out of it.
But does he have enough energy left to get back on the offensive?
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling. Wow, reverse bulldog.
He got him good. Using the elbow as a weapon. Boom! KO punch. Boom, what impact. Oh, God, that hurt. And he's heading back in. Boom! He's too quick for him there. What a stomp!
Good grief.
Not so fast.
Despite having an impressive spot in this week's power rankings, I'm told this superstar isn't all concerned with things like that.
Clothesline!
This isn't going to be good.
Clothesline!
If you're this superstar, you gotta be happy about where you're listed in the recent power rankings.
There's got to be some point in the match where those thoughts start to creep in that it could be over. And then you got to dig down deep, get rid of the self-doubt, and continue on toward victory. When you look at this, simply amazing.
It looks like they both did their homework heading into this one.
Bad spot for him to be in here, guys.
He's got to do something to get back in this thing.
Backdrop suplex.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nope, reverses it. Dropped, and that was a hard shot, Corey.
Yeah, you might want to think about throwing in the towel at this point.
Nailed it. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Oh no, we know what this is.
This might not have been a wise move for him here, Michael.
And he fights his way free.
He's got to be working on instinct right now, Cole.
Buster. He's not in a good spot here, guys.
He simply needs to find a way to regroup.
Oh, he's able to reverse it. Oh, clothesline. He might have it.
He looks to be losing a bit of leverage here.
Oh, and he finds a way to escape.
Wow. Cole, I think this entire arena had written him off, myself included.
Looking for the exclamation point. He releases it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
Well, guys, not sure what you think, but that was one of the most incredible triple threat matches I've ever had the pleasure of being a part of.
I don't like to throw around a lot of praise, but my eyes tell me that might have been one of the great matches in recent WWE history. Wow. I haven't seen a match like that in a long time. I might go home and watch a replay. It was that good.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a very big win here tonight.
Beating one WWE competitor is hard enough, but turning back two, that's just plain impressive.